Hey everybody. So I got these 3 wigs off of Amazon. I'm really not knowing how or what is the best way to record this to really show you the wigs and things. But I got 3 different ones and I will link them below. I'm just gonna open them up and show y'all what's going on, give y'all my first impressions on that and all that. So yeah, see how this goes. And by the way, I never wore a wig before. I'm adjusting the camera. It's gonna be a lot of adjusting to see what's best, but y'all be alright. So this is the first one. This is how it came. Came in this little package. Just, you know, some plastic. Came with some things to read. Probably says good things. I ain't gonna read them. Look, it came with some hoops. That was so unexpected. That's cute. So now you got your hair and your hoops. Then you got the little wig cap. I don't know. I guess you put this on under the wig. I guess so it won't move. I don't know. I'm new to this. I ain't true to this. But before we get to the hair, let's see what else they gave us. So got round one little cheetah headband. Oh, that's cute. I like that. And then a little flower one. Looks summery. Can work with that. So the hair has a net on it. You guys see that? It's a net. This is a headband wig. So this one is a headband wig in the color 1B, I believe. So let's see. I hope this is a better angle than what I had before, but it comes with this little net. So I'm gonna just pull this off so we can see how it's looking. Ooh, look at the curl. Curl for the girls. And this is all synthetic. And then has tissue paper in there to keep it shaped like a head. Keep it straight like a bowl. You know what I'm saying? And then that's the little headband. It's black. And headband has, ooh, Velcro, baby. That Velcro tight. They said wig moving where? Nowhere. That's where it ain't moving. So we got 1 clip, 2 clips, 3 clips, 4 clips. Looks like something to adjust here. This gonna be fun, y'all. I can't believe this is my first wig. It feels really soft. Got a little bounce. You see that? Bounce with it, baby. Yeah. Don't look too bad. Don't look too bad. I like this one. It ain't looking wiggy. It ain't looking wiggy. It's looking like hair. Real hair. I hope the camera is focusing because I'm doing mad much back here. But this is cute. I like it. If someone knows how I should store these wigs, let me know. Because I don't know how I'm supposed to keep the curls in it. Am I supposed to keep that little net I took off? Like every time I take it off, put the net back on it? Y'all let me know in the comments, please. Don't just have me out here with a lopsided wig. Alright, let's go to the next one. So that last wig was wavy, and this one is a curly one. And it came in this little bag. Zippity zip. Little zip bag. See what good we got in here. Ooh! We got another headband. Let's see what else we got up in here. Because I felt something else. Oh no, that was the hair I was feeling. But let's open this up. So I know some people say that they smell the wigs and stuff, but I ain't smelled one I just took out, and I don't smell this one. This is cute. Giving trees, you know. But I like that it's not as colorful as the last one, because this can match more things, you know. So that's that. Then got the wig here. Chia. Not this one looking like the chia. But it also has a net. Do all wigs come with nets? Y'all let me know. It's also a headband wig. This is the curly one. Ooh, this kind of long. I guess we're gonna have to shape this to the face. Ooh, I like the curls. This one is soft too. I kind of want to say this one is black. This hair color. Because it doesn't seem like the 1B like the other one. Also came with the paper in there. And let's see. See how many hooks this one got. See if this one get you slipping sliding on your head. Oh, this got double Velcro. Look at that. Strap it tight. So this one just has 3 hooks, look like. 1 in the back, 2 on the sides. But yeah, this is the curly one. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Yeah, I will link these because I don't remember the length of these. And there we go. And let's go to the last one. See, I went and took this one out the bag already because I know y'all like, we tired of seeing you open it. So I took this one out the bag, but this is a little ombre. Got the little dark brown at the top with the bangs. You see the bangs? You see them bangs? Then it got the curls that get a little lighter. The light brown at the bottom, light brown curls. So this one also came with a net over it. And came with some stockings. It's a little stocking cap. Look, they show you how to put it on. That's cute. So your wig won't be sliding. But yeah, this is the last one. Cute. Let's see how many hooks this one got. Got to flip the bangs back. Oh! Y'all see that? Y'all see that? This one ain't got no hooks. They said, boy, if you don't strap it down yourself with some pins, that's on you. That one on you. But yeah, this is cute. I'm going to try these on and let y'all know if I'm a wig person after this. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you want to. Getting choked up. Need some water. If you want to, it'll be appreciated. Thank you. Bye. Say bye, wig. Bye, y'all. We gonna name you Roxy, honey. This last wig, Roxy, was my favorite, and then the first one was my second. The middle one was the worst. Don't buy it.